Hey.
Captain Blazkowicz, you ready for an assignment? Friends and comrades, this is it. Project Whisper. It's been in development for years. A helicopter aircraft. The Nazis have found a way to make it virtually silent in flight and undetectable by means of radar. Anya has decrypted the Nazi chatter out of London and located the only 3 prototypes in existence at the London Nautica research facilities there. With Captain Blazkowicz on the team, we are finally strong enough to strike at the operations. The days of scurrying like rats are over. With these machines in our possession, we can go anywhere, hit anything. We will rebuild the Kreisau Circle, arm ourselves to the hilt. We will rise up and take down death head for good. They think the war's over, that we are weak, beaten, don't have the guts to oppose them. And as always, they are wrong.
I've got a 14-hour drive. I've got a sinus infection. I haven't had a full night's sleep in 8 months. So let's go, people. Because I'm not doing this again.
You've got balls of steel, Bobby Brown.
Stop. I just want to get this over with.
Blondie! Beruhig dich! Komm schon! Die Papiere bitte. Danke, Sie können passieren. Herr Hitler!
Herr Hitler! Herr Hitler! Herr Hitler!
Fucking Nazi twit.
I don't know. What the fuck? What the fuck?
This big fucking disgraceful building is the London Nautica. This used to be downtown London. Used to be fighting in the streets over here. I mean...
Dude, that building looks awesome, man. What are you talking about?
Then the Nazis brought in the London Monitor and everything went to shit from there. They just do whatsoever they please now. They just fucking leveled everything and erected this fucking monstrosity.
I don't know.
Nazi research facility this is. Aviation, space, all kinds of evil shit transpiring. Caroline and the other pilots should be over the radio tower by now. You see it?
Yeah.
Anya's operating the radio back in Berlin. You can reach him using this. This is where you get off. So long, Blazkowicz. You make this count, all right?
No, I won't. What the fuck? Whoa. Get your head out of my junk.
Approximately 7 blocks from the location. You'll have to find a way to the top floor of the Nautica and open the safe doors. That way we and the other pilots can get inside.
Can I shock it? Come on. Feel sorry for some of these people. What? Oh my gosh. think I was supposed to run at that point. Woo! Motherfucker!
William, I'm looking at blueprints of the building. It's a long way to the top.
Probably is a long way to the fucking top. Oh, I got a map. Oh no. So sorry. Not really. Ooh. Ooh.
Up ahead is the reception area. I want you to go to the far end of the reception area, through the large doorway and into the moon dome. Windows is raised by Scovage, and Bobby's death will not be in vain.
His death will be in vain.
Long day for hang gliding.
Okay. A lot of dead people. Great. That machine's gonna come to life. How did I know? Bitch. Fucking get. Shit, trying to fuck with me. I can't use your gun either, that sucks. Oh, what was that? There we go. Oh, there's another piece, yeah. Let's go with that. Whew. Should have saved this ammo. Ooh. Grab everything. Shit. Thank you for the ammo. Got a load. Oh, motherfucker. Motherfucker. Game's getting intense. Anything else? Wait, Okay, I'm not gonna waste my ammo on that anymore. Instead, I'm gonna use this. Let's mount it. You fucking idiot. Bullet feeder. Let it recharge. Pull it off. There we go. I got it! Holy shit! I'm gonna do something. Cause it looks like I missed something at the beginning. Can I go back? Did I miss it? I missed it. Okay. Might as well try and find what I got in here, though. Well, that might be on the bottom. They all might be on the bottom, actually. Can I grab it through that? Is it over there? Might be. Let's try this. Shit. There we go. Give me that, and give me the health upgrade. All the ammo. That all the ammo? That it? Oh, there's still something in here. See, hell. That all? That's all. For that side. Now it's time for the other side. There's that thing. Oh, finally. No, there's still something over here. It's probably up top. Let's go. Yeah, there it is. Huh. Nope, that's not it. Where is it? It's a... Oh, there's shit back here. Eat everything! You in the giant can? Oh. Oh. Okay, that's how I get it. Okay. Okay. What was that? Who's that? Damn, it's a golden knife. Can't get no more armor. Fill my health up. Grab that. Whoa. Yeah, grab that. Let's go!
Inside the moon dome is a door to the maintenance section. Look for a door on the outer wall near to the top of the dome.
It's the moon! Shit, shit, shit. Where's the other one at? Aw, dude. Dude. I wanna listen to the moon. Let me listen to it. Is it above me? So wait, they got a lunar base on the moon now too? I feel so OP. Overpowered. Overpowered. I feel fucking overpowered. There it is. What? Oh, you scared the shit out of me.
Halfway to the top of the dome. Can we find a way to reach it?
I forgot I had that. How about you guys? That all? That's all. Well, next is whatever this is for to do there. Yeah. Grab all the shit I can. Is it this? No. It's further down. Man, they like to keep guns fucking everywhere. Whew. Oh. It actually is above me. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's over there. Okay. Oh. That's cool. Home. Yay. Oh, you didn't die. Shit! Oh, I didn't notice I was running out of fucking ammo. Oh my gosh. I want to try this now. Oh, Man, he took that like a pro. Okay. Boop. Boop. Aw. Boop.
Look for a hatch on the wall. It's the access tunnel to the elevator shaft.
Anything up here? Nah. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, gotta jump up there first.
Hopefully the elevators haven't suffered any damage from the blast.
Oh. Huh. I don't know what the fuck I did there. I feel like... I don't know. I just...
Hopefully the elevators haven't suffered any damage from the blast.
Says I'm supposed to get over there. There we go. Climbing. Climb. Oh. I don't know.
Brakes off an elevator. What could go wrong? Better stand on the count of three.
Did it wrong. Like, better staying on the counter rate. Should I press something then? I should have stood on something. Oh, I grabbed it. Hey, hey. This must be the counterweight.
Brakes off an elevator. What could go wrong? Better stand on the counterweight.
Bye-bye. Oh, a lot of shit could have gone wrong there. Well, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
I think I found something.
What do you see?
Ancient artifacts. Highly technological in nature. Parchment. Looks like Hebrew. I think the Nazis are trying to reverse engineer all this stuff.
Are there any identifying marks?
Dot? You should. Dog, Abel, apostrophe. Abel, Tara, space, yoke, item, Charlie, Hal, Uncle Dog.
Might be something in our archives, Anya. See if you can find any references to Dot Yishud.
Will do. Be careful out there.
I like her, Blaskowitz. Good catch. Be sure to bring as much of this Dot Yishud stuff as you can carry.
Yay, paper it is. That all I can carry? Don't care about that. Ooh. I want. So they're making lasers. That's what I'm getting here. They're making lasers. Oh. Up I go.
One more. Right. Let's fire it up.
Yay. Give me the fucking gun. This is my gun now. I got the laser crap gun. I'll just call it the fuck gun.
I see a small plumbing channel behind the north wall. Look for some form of access point along the floor.
Okay.
About 2 floors up is an access point leading directly into the hangar.
Do. Just for the hell of it. Wasn't me. Charge you up.
You should be very close. The hangar is where the Project Whisper helicopter prototypes are kept.
Bye-bye. Oh. Bye-bye. I want to do it quickly. Yes.
There's my helicopters. That's it.
And with that, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you all.